Hello, my name is Peter and I welcome you to the Ottobock Repair Service Center here at the Village Plaza at the PyeongChang2018 Paralympic Games. In this 300 square meter workshop, we repair all the equipment of the athletes from all over the world. We repair the wheelchairs, the protheses, the orthoses and also the sport equipment. We are here to serve the athletes and take care of their products and equipment. We have actually two sewing machines here in the workshop. One is for thicker material like leather and straps and strong materials. The other one is for fabric. With those machines we can repair like the backs of the wheelchairs, straps, belts and many other things. So we use argon shielded welding, TIG welding here in the Ottobock Repair Service Center. Our specialists are able to weld titanium, aluminium, steel. Sometimes it occurs that sledges from para-ice hockey or frames from wheelchairs or sitting frames for cross-country skiing are damaged, so we need to weld them again. The socket router is used for grinding and shaping materials. We use this for sockets, for plastic parts to adapt it to a special form or shape, and therefore we use this machine. A large group of athletes use wheelchairs. This is why we see wheelchairs very often in our workshop. A wheelchair is a very complex thing with many parts. So many things can be damaged on a wheelchair. We change tires, we look at the front wheels, we check the frames, the back, the seating area, the cushions. So there are many things to repair wheelchairs and this keeps us busy. Every athlete needs very individual treatment and individual repairs. For example, we do some covers, some shelters for the stump, and this is very individual. So we start with making a plaster cast, and from this on we build up with carbon fiber and lamination technique. We build really custom-made, tailor-made solutions for the athletes that really fits good to them and they can rely and they can trust on. So now you've seen what we are able to do here at the Paralympic Games and what things we can repair, and we wish the best for all athletes, that they can focus on their sport and do their best at their competitions.